me.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Obo Basi. Thank you for joining me today. So today I have another episode of Oba's unboxing. Got a package today, so we're gonna open it and see what's inside and set up whatever it is. Let's get to it. First piece, pencil cup. This is fire. This is fire. So as you guys know, I'm remodeling my desk. So I'm gonna really need this since I'm starting to work from home. I want a space that, you know, that I just like, that I just love looking at. So this is gonna help me keep organized with all my tools that are gonna be on my desk. So, alright, like this. And all the links will be down below to the products so that you guys can get them if you want to as well. So next we have this other mystery box. Let's see what's inside. Fake plants. So it's these two fake plants that I got. You guys tell that they're fake? Remind me of dreadlocks or something. So cool. I saw this picture of them like hanging up on the wall. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or if I'm gonna have it on my desk, but I'll figure something out. These are cool. So there you guys have it. Just a little short and sweet unboxing video of different accent pieces I got from my room. So these plants, these two plants that came, these are cool. I might put them on like the edge of my desk, or I might hang them up like I saw online. I didn't expect them to look like this, so they look cool, but I don't know. It's cool. And then this pencil cup I will fill up. I'm gonna do an update video of where exactly I put everything, but my room is starting to come together piece by piece, and you guys are gonna get that video of the full room tour, like how I did in my first video. That video was hilarious. I thought that video was funny, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is another installment of Oba's unboxings. I love you guys. God loves you guys. Shalom.